Hi, I'm Amy from Fox Run, and today we are talking about planting garlic. In Zone 6, garlic gets planted in the fall and harvested midsummer. It's easy to grow and very hardy. Garlic is used in many cooking dishes. It's also very healthy. According to WebMD, the allicin in garlic helps with circulation and cholesterol problems. Plant garlic in fall 2 to 4 weeks before the ground freezes. In Zone 6, that's typically in October. The most important thing about garlic is that they must have good drainage. They don't like the cold winter rain or snow hanging around their feet. Here is a clip of me planting garlic.
So fall is the time that we plant garlic. And so this garlic, as you can see, has been drying in my barn. I planted it last fall and I harvested that garlic in July and hung it to dry. So those are the bulbs, and these are the cloves. These are the parts that you plant by pushing down about 2 inches into the earth and then just covering them lightly. I have my garlic in a raised bed because garlic likes good drainage. And I planted this garlic a couple of weeks ago and it's already starting to shoot up. So I'm going to cover it with some mulch and it will be here all winter and start growing again in the spring. So fall.
Mulching your garlic helps protect it from winter weather and keeps the soil from heaving around the bulbs. You can also add hoops and a layer of row cover as extra protection or during bad storms.
All right, I just wanted to show you the garlic that I had planted last fall. I did a video on planting that garlic. And so this is what it looks like the first week of April. You can see the wire hoops. I've just uncovered it. I had a piece of landscaping fabric on it to protect it. Mother Nature kind of played a cruel April Fool's Day joke on us, and we had snow on April 1st, as well as some well below freezing temps for a few days. So I am going to give the garlic some fish emulsion for some nutrients, and just make sure it has plenty of water over the next few months. And so it is just going to be allowed to continue growing. And in the middle of summer, we'll take another look at it again. All right.
The first part of the garlic to harvest is the scape. The scape grows as a stalk on hardneck varieties and will bloom if not cut off. Scapes taste sweet and have a mild garlic taste. They are great for making pesto, sautéed, and in egg dishes. When the tops start to die down, you can pull up your garlic and let it dry in a cool, dark place. Thanks for watching. Leave me a comment and tell me what type of videos you would like to see.